So pretty. I like the blue detail. Look at that. I like that.
I like that.
I like that.
I bought a scanner. Frank bought a scanner too. You like that, right?
Nice socks.
I got fucking Frank's thing. Did you? He's gonna be happy as shit. God, I wanted one of these little hammers for a long time. This egg flew off like I hit it and then the hammer got real light. And I look at it.
I may not be the captain, but I am in the captain's chair.
Heated up too hot and it got stuck in the. Huh?
Oh my god, here we go.
Get out of here.
Dumb fuck you or whatever.
Wait,
Yo, wait, you gotta
did
give
you
him money?
speak to? Did you speak to Jared?
No.
This is so sexy. I'm gonna get me a 3/8 soon. What does this go for?
How you doing, bro?
639.
$6.39.
What's going on?
That's better than $6.50. This is so nice.
Need a hammer. Can't always use the one between.
What? How much is it? What? A hoodie? Yeah, $30. You still coming down, right?
Cash.
I said I'm not gonna give you cash. I know.
The magnet's so strong in this one.
What? You give it to your friend.
Holy
You
shit.
give it to your friend, two, right?
Go ahead.
Now when they come to me now, so
You know how much he pays me every
it's
week?
okay, brother.
How much?
It's okay.
No, get out. All right. See ya.
Oh wait, so am I getting my hoodie?
Well, I mean, it's not free.
It's winter.
I know, but it's not free.
I thought it was free.
It's free. They pay for it.
I thought the Carhartt was free too, of all
No,
things.
it's like $100.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like that?
Yes, sir.
Jeez. All right. Ooh, look at that! Look at that smile. Hey, what do they call you?
Silent Bob.
Why do they call you Silent Bob?
Because I look like Silent Bob.
That's right. Especially you gotta get a baseball cap. It's not really a baseball cap. What does it say?
What?
What does it say on the back? I see. I understand now. Now I understand. What's your name?
Martino.
What do they call you Martino?
I don't know. They just added an O to my Martin.
To Martin? That's cool. What kind of shoes are those?
Air Maxes. About to go to the gym.
Are you gonna pump iron?
I'm going to pick things up and put them down.
That's cool. What do you drive here? This is a Ferrari, right?
Yeah, my Ferrari. It's Ferrari red.
Yeah.
It's a SI for special intact. That's a lot. But it's a Civic.
That's cool.
It's okay. It's fine. I'm going to close my door now. Take it on my good side.
Yeah. Yo, look at this fucking Audi right here, bro. This Audi is fucking fire. What? Oh my god, look at this Civic. Yo, hey sir. Nice Civic. This thing's so cool. It's a VTEC, right? VTEC? Oh yeah, I figured. Jeez. Ooh, daily Hondas.